So I've taught you how to defeat a snake every other day of the year. You can defeat a snake using any method. You can defeat one outside. You can defeat one in Zach's house. But what if you have to defeat a snake? What if you have to defeat a snake on Halloween? What if I defeat a snake on Halloween? I wonder who that could be.
Hi.
Oh, hi Zachary.
I hear we're fighting snakes.
Yeah, look at this. That's the snake we're gonna be fighting. This is gonna be so cool.
That's a cat.
No! So, on Halloween, in order to defeat a snake on Halloween, you must be wearing a costume. So allow us to slip into something more comfortable. No peeking. We are now well equipped to defeat the snake. As you can see, he is Zelda from Mario Party. And as you can see, I am Travis Touchdown from the hit Devil May Cry. Oh no! Okay, so basically, to defeat the snake, what we gotta do, I'll show you exactly what we need to do. It'll be quick, you might not catch it long, but trust me, you will survive this Halloween. Stupid snake, oh you so oh, you think you're just gonna show up on my doorstep, demand my candy? That's right, I speak your language, I speak snake. Alright, in order to defeat a snake, it's on this scary Halloween night, what you need to do, you need to channel its weakness. And what is it weak to? Trick-or-treating. Are you guys going? Magic missile. Come on, more, pay me up. Gunslinger. Pay me up. Gunslinger. Pay me up. Gunslinger. Ladies and gentlemen, that did not work. So what we must do? Egg!
An all-time Halloween classic. Magic missile.
Gunslinger. Fuck off. Ladies and gentlemen, this snake right here, dead. I haven't seen a snake this size since. Anyways, that's it. Like and subscribe for more Fortnite tutorials.
And happy Halloween!